Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be making some popping noises with this slime. And I actually just made this slime right now and it's a bit sticky, so I'm just gonna add some activator. It's in a squirt bottle. So yeah. And I scented it and this smells like sour apple. I'm gonna call it sour apple crunch. So yeah, so we're just gonna try to make some noises. I'm gonna vacuum up because I don't want to get my phone dirty. So yeah, I'm a gallon of glue is actually holding my phone. So yeah, I just made it. That's why I have all my ingredients here. So yeah, hopefully I don't get it on my shirt. Okay. Sticky, it's sticky. I'll try to be quiet so you guys can hear the popping noises. I'm gonna try to make a swirl. But remember, it is a little bit sticky, so yeah. Just a little bit. I'm gonna try to do it on the table. Thank you guys for watching.